Okay.
You have zero brain cells.
Oh, yeah.
Why is it glitching? Do you still remember Animal Revolt?
Yes.
I almost have all dinosaurs.
Wow.
Playtime
You
code.
still play Battle Cats?
I deleted it.
Why?
I don't play it!
Now you don't have any more Ubers.
I think I can still log into Facebook.
Okay.
Good job!
I cannot get it.
Bre, bre, bre,
Wait.
bre. You need your grab pack.
You
need your grab pack eh. Open the door, cause it said Teeter earlier. Teeter.
Peter.
There is nothing important. What is nothing important? Testing.
Testing.
Testing door.
What did you?
Run! Oh, sheesh! Oh, sheesh! Huggy Wuggy is creepy,
Yeah.
but Dog Day is even more creepy.
What?
Dog Day is even more.
Yes.
He has no legs, but can
He
still.
needed.
He already got fixed, but the prototype broke his head.
Wait. I can't.
Bro, let me try.
Okay.
Why can't we get the key?
I don't know. Maybe
We need
the
our
code. Maybe the code door.
We need-
Like the colors it said earlier.
We need this. So it means it's just again. Just have to do the code again.
Green, pink, yellow, red. And then the enter. Press enter. Not the enter text.
Okay.
Maybe the TV.
Bruh.
You're listen. Yeah.
We already put the ticket in the TV, right?
Yeah.
It.
You mean VHS? Not ticket.
Yeah. It's not working.
Yeah.
I'm staring at his soul. I am creeped out.
Yeah. What?
I am scared. He might jump scare us.
It's just a Roblox game.
I am watching you from your door.
Yesterday there was balloon popping. I didn't flinch that much. So I think if I played the horror game, I wouldn't flinch that much.
You're
I
not good
I already heard a balloon pop many times in my classroom yesterday.
Why? Wait, you
My
have
classmates are careless.
Mama!
Mainly it's because of Tyrone.
I'm gonna
Tyrone.
jump on the TV. Happy birthday to you. Now it's time to break the TV.
Later display packet.
I don't have that.
Download it again.
No, I don't have my phone.
You still have your iPad.
That's KK's now.
So what will you use?
My phone.
I thought you said but will you still download it?
Which one?
Battle Cats.
Not sure.
It's a fun strategy game.
Blah 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 blah.
There's nothing outside.
What?
We're in space.
We're in the void.
The new Interstellar movie.
Let's go into the gift shop.
Maybe there's the key.
Bro, Huggy already has the key. How would this place have the key? Great. Why is there so much candy that's only green and no?
That's
My favorite colors.
green.
Look, I'm gonna jump.
Blue's my second favorite color now.
I'm gonna jump. Can I
Maybe I think it's go back to the main place.
Go to the choo-choo. Maybe have to turn the choo-choo.
Later, can we play the Hello Neighbor Roblox version?
Let me turn this thing on. Wait, what?
Space. What? Wait.
Neptune. What's that?
Glowing blue.
Wait.
We're in a spaceship.
Wait. I'm gonna try to glitch the wall out of the wall.
Wait, what's up? What's that?
Huh? Maybe that's chapter 2.
Is that an Eiffel Tower?
It just looks like an angry face if you do this.
Yeah. It looks like a water tank. Like outside there. Moon!
The moon. What is that thing? It's just a bottle of can.
Yeah.
Story
Coca-Cola.
mode. Story mode is still on testing.
Good to know.
Good to know because I would freak out if it was not installed. Dude!
Maybe.
Dude, Huggy,
Go back. Go back.
Dude, Huggy, help me.
Yeah.
What the?
Maybe just go back to the one earlier.
Here?
Yeah, there. We have to explore the whole.
The full main campus.
Yes. Princeton.
Yes.
Yeah, I really miss there.
Why?
I like there. It's so big. The gym is so large, right?
Which one? In the...
Main campus. Yeah, it's really large.
Which main campus? The gray or the green?
The green.
Testing.
Okay.
Oh yeah, oh no, we are not entered there. So where have we not entered? How?
No, you need a key. No.
The key's right there!
That's just. It's just a. He has 2 keys in his hand.
Can I get it?
No.
Give me your key. Give me your key.
Maybe that's duct tape.
That doesn't.
Maybe if he captures you, he will duct tape you like Hello Neighbor.
This kinda just looks like tape.
Yeah, it looks like kiwi, like the one in sushi.
Ah! Can I smell your butt, sir? Oh sheesh. How did you see this? Ah! I'm gonna climb you. Oh, wait, what?
You're a monkey.
No.
You're monkey.
Monkey jump.
You're the flying gorilla.
Flying
The one that is like the ad.
Parkour.
Have you seen the flying gorilla ad? It's so funny. At the end of the video, explodes.
It's
like
just tape.
It's like a mobile game.
It's just tape.
Yeah.
It's just tape.
I'll be the one.
Just freak out. Somebody.
Maybe.
Bro, it's just tape. Why is tape important?
1960.
Bruh. Maybe there's something inside of the room.
Maybe it's
Wait.
cafeteria.
We still haven't.
No, we can't.
We need to. What do we need to see? That's why it's 2 keys.
Two keys.
Stay still. I think I saw him move his hand earlier. Did you know everything's moving 1 pixel?
Yes, because they're made of atoms. Atoms can move.
Look, even though this is not moving, it's still moving.
How's this floating?
Which one?
Wait, I think you should do parkour. Oh.
How is this
Maybe
impossible?
I should kiss him.
Like kiss Missy. Kiss him.
No. Maybe grab the box.
We need the grab pack.
Okay. I'll go back.
We need the grab pack. Where did we leave it? Why did it just randomly disappear?
Is there music?
There's none. Dude, it's just your footsteps.
Oh, wait, I did hear it. Wait. Yeah. Music.
Wait, that's louder the volume. Is it this?
Already 100.
Alam ko, pupunta pa tayo sa...
Yun na, sa playground ng mga...
Nadalhin mga ako doon.
Alam mo naman! Hindi nga ako sumama tayo paglakad. Tapos dadalhin ko yung
Maybe we check here.
It's a conveyor belt. You should...
Maybe
Wait. Look at the hand.
that tape.
I think that's just another model.
Yeah. Maybe we go back to the tape.
Wait, check under. What are we missing? What are we missing?
Maybe we're missing. Hey, stop. Maybe we read the sign. I think we should read it. I'll read it. Huggy Wuggy, 1984. Wow, so old. Playtime Co. has designed hundreds of distinct toys, but none connected with people more than that of Huggy Wuggy. Our founder, Elliot Ludwig, aimed to create a toy which could hug you forever. So, this worth it. As is always true, Playtime Co.'s is first-step process to creating the most lifelike toys. Parang sa cats. I'll unplug it. With a bit of string and polyester. Stop!
I'm trying to say, I can't say!
Your elbows hit the mouse. There. Our lovable Lupal Huggy Wuggy has Huggy Wuggy has gone on to be Playtime Co.'s most popular and best-selling toy so far. What's that flavor?
I don't know. What do we do? Should we just
Push him.
Push him over. He's actually not a statue.
This wax. Just necklace.
Get it.
Oh, that's. Oh, that was the kid. That was a bow tie.
It's his bow tie, so it means he's ugly.
I can.
What will we do?
Maybe. Oh wait. Maybe we go here.
Innovation. That's the door where Huggy goes, like the one, like his hands sitting on the wall.
Yeah.
Playtime fails. I am gonna burst into madness. What do we do? There's only one time. So it means we have to find more codes.
Maybe we go back to the green, pink, yellow, red.
Alright, what will we do there?
I don't know. This game's broken. Like the new Ant-Man movie. The CGI is really bad. It look cartoony, not realistic. Speedrun.
That is not a speedrun. Wait, maybe we go into the vent?
Yeah. Then crouch. No. Oh wait.
So this game is broken. That was okay.
Wait, let me go back. Wait. Oh wait, maybe we turn on. No. Well, go back here.
What is this event capable of?
I don't know. Maybe it has an invisible aircon here. What's that?
Maybe that's the exit. When you escape from Huggy Wuggy, you just die.
No. What's this? Right. Wait, maybe we press this square on the TV. Let's press the square on the TV.
I already did that earlier.
Maybe we go outside.
Let's maybe ring the bell. Ring ring
Let's just play
banana.
the chapter 3 one.
Okay. This is brain. This is brain.
Mike.
Mike from Junior Cab. Is your new baby chair?
Yes, business chair.
Open.
Go.
Cat.
Oh, it's not purple.
The shoe. Chapter 3.
Okay.
That's chapter 3.
Yes.
How would you know? Please pop
I
out.
ew.
Please pop out chapter 3.
Yes. Okay.
Because chapter 1 is brain freezing.
Yes.
I didn't know there was cutscene like that. I don't really want. Where will you go? Don't enter.
Nuclear.
There's a grab pack too.
There's an atomic bomb.
Oh, we'll enter here. Slide. No, bro. You do the chase.
Warriors. Is
Dude, you do the chase.
is
I
this a chase scene?
But I think it's a chase.
Oh.
Use your grab pack. Press the one.
Where? Oh.
Oh, yay, we have 2.
Yeah.
That's. Dude, what do we do? What's that one thing?
Oh, we go here.
Climb up the ladder.
Again. Oh.
It's a crushing wall.
How do I get up?
Parkour on the pipes, I think.
I can.
Bruh. Is it crushing? It's not.
Duck. Oh, we go here. Oh, wait. I think we went the wrong way.
Wait, look up, look up. Oh, you use a grab pack.
Oh.
You use the grab pack. You can
Oh.
see. Bro, what the? Then you might get squashed. Parkour, parkour. No, you got squashed. There.
What? You glitch. What? You glitch inside. Okay.
This is actually
Yeah.
more fun.
Yeah, more fun than chapter 1. Broke and brain freeze. Cold. Pizza sauce. Wait.
Oh no.
I still hear the alarm. Oh wait.
Broken door. Fat. No, I think you're too fat. Too fat.
Like queso.
How does everybody have no queso? I'm the only one that never knows him.
He's a fat YouTuber who gets many hits. Oh, okay.
Oh no, oh no, oh no! Call 911! Fire! Fire! Is that red gas?
Exhale.
Is that oh no, that's red gas.
Very fast.
Red gas, you're not safe in red gas. That's Catnap's breath. Catnap's breath makes people go crazy
Sleep.
first and then to sleep. They go crazy first and then.
Oh.
Ah! There's only a bit of alarm.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, maybe grab pack.
Oh, grab pack. We have to swing. Is it? Don't jump, Nig.
What? Subsick, I'm white. Why do you think I'm black?
Jump. There. Bro. Bro.
I'm not to face to it.
Hindi nilalagyan ng YouTube ang nakikita yung luma.
There. There.
I
Wait.
think there's a different.
No.
I think you're not. And are we gonna restart from the lobby?
Oh, here.
Dude, you're going backwards. I think. Oh no, that was where we were earlier.
Oh.
Wait, I think there's a far one.
Wait, I think there's something here.
What?
Red.
Bro.
Blue.
There's another one there, but it's just too far.
I think we.
Like yellow.
Kaya nga napansin ko.
I'm not sure if you gotta go to the monkey ball. I'm not sure if it's.
That's the only thing there. My mouse moves so.
Use the green one. Maybe the green is the one.
Oh.
Oh, I told you it's green. So that was fast.
Yeah. You're smart. Uh-oh.
Oh no, you're not gonna die. It's a vent.
Okay. I thought something was chasing us. Something chasing us.
Bro!
Oh.
We're going there. That's where we went earlier. I think.
Blocks. What? What?
Open it.
I did. It just made me went flying.
Use your grab hack.
Okay.
Bro, that's not. If you see black, that means that's black. Where do you see? Where do you get out of here?
You just go here.
Let's just go this circle.
Oh.
Oh, there's an exit. There's the blue one.
Yung nagkong yung ano.
Wait.
What is taking so long? Dude, that is not like a hand, bro. That's a cube. Teach me.
Oh wait.
Oh, you need batteries. Dude, we have to find batteries.
So
I think
maybe.
that's a battery. Wait, give me.
Give me my kiss back. Wait.
Give me.
Look up a bit. Look up a bit. What's that? White.
I don't know.
White.
I've been asking earlier. Dang, I
Ah.
told you I'm the smartest guy.
Yeah, because I never played Puppy Playtime. I only saw it on YouTube.
Now we have to find another one.
Oh, wait, that's a Hello Neighbor refrigerator.
Wait, let's see.
That's the Hello Neighbor one.
Oh, we can.
Eh,
What happens if we try it now?
we need one more.
Where?
Let me be the one.
Wait, I think I see it.
Okay.
Let me try and find it.
Okay. Detective Dickerson.
Ah, my eyes! There's bush. There's bush, sugar bush.
Ah, I think we just go in the hole.
I think it's somewhere here. It's the only place.
Matawagan mo nga si Rico, malamig na naman ang
Job.
Maybe you just go in the hole. That's the only place you can go.
That's creepy. Let's not go in the hole. I think it's just somewhere here. We're just blind.
Click.
Blah, 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 blah. Are you inside the bucket?
Maybe check the cabinet.
I can see everything.
Maybe just go back to the hole. What?
There's nothing, I can just see stone. What is that white thing? Is that dog they just talking without even no. What? If you do this.
I'll be the one to play.
I'll just try. No.
Oh. Hey! Okay. Now
Okay,
the
no.
blue. No. And okay.
I feel like this is changed.
No.
Oh, this
It's a
just
cutout.
cut out.
Press.
I'm Booba Booba fan.
Okay.
Hey, I remember you. An elephant always remembers.
But you're cringy.
I want to know what I remember about
That you should be quiet.
screaming.
Alright, let's go.
So,
The elephant sounds boring.
I'm scared.
Green. Green. The green.
Doesn't work. I just need something else. I need another electrode.
Oh. Wow. Exit.
What's more? Ah!
What the exit? That. Oh, I think that's Ollie.
Hey, can you hear me? Oh, there's another. We have to find another battery.
We're kinda lost. You too. No one to I'm gonna help you get this out.
Oh no. I think this is just a prototype.
Yeah.
I
No. Not someone else.
Boom! Nothing happened, dude. You can see us through that battery. What battery? Oh, there.
That.
Oo, lahat na yung pinost. Nagtatakasin.
Layer teleporter.
But I feel like this is chasing.
Okay.
Go.
Gusto ko na sana yung palo. Natatakas naman.
Is it?
Coming soon.
Sabi, si Bernie ang unang utang, hindi ka na yung palo.
Someone chasing us?
No.
Is it? Oh, wait.
Ito yan, sagot ng tita niya ni Stella.
It's still coming soon.
Oh,
Oh, don't turn off the graphics. Gimme! Gimme!
No.
Wait. So, S. I'm not gonna smack it.
Maybe go in the security room. Oh wait.
Oh no, I feel like this is. I feel like it's already gonna be a chase. This is.
Bye, kanina pa doon eh.
Chair.
Gaming chair.
Red disposable yung mga sketchup na
A weird fridge. Ay,
Oh.
I'm scared.
Don't be.
Bro, I'm not clicking! Dude, I'm not clicking. It's on.
Click it
Dude,
again.
look. I'm out.
There.
there. Why is it like that?
I don't know.
How many doors are?
Oh, it's a puzzle. It is. Then why is the door locked? Wait, check for something blue or green.
This one?
The right. Oh, rubber band.
It's just a rubber band. What?
Maybe we push it. Maybe we swing. We turn it.
I gotta hold it. I use the green.
Maybe click it again.
Wait. Oh, we need to turn it first. Gotta try to turn it.
Oh.
What? That was a floating hand.
Well, maybe you hold that.
Yeah.
No, the blue thing up there.
Ay, antay! Kakain daw si Kiki.
Floating?
Wait na.
Yeah, with the blue head.
Can't reach.
Touch it again, I think.
Ano ba? Hindi mo na talaga nagagamit.
The green head.
Saan niya daw?
Maybe try the green head.
Wait.
Bakit?
Put the green hand there.
Ay, dali, bilisan mo kumain.
Which one's mine? Alright, put mo yung chocolate.
Meron na arang iyo, meron yung chocolate.
You play first.
Bumili ng tracker, hindi naman matrack.
Wait.
Did you open it?
No.
How did the electricity? Wait, the one. Put blue there. Put blue there.
Oh.
And then how did I open that?
Maybe we move the box.
Let's try to turn it.
Okay, now.
I think that's how I did it. I was just holding it.
Open. Oh, it's open. That's why. Well, my. Right.
What are you doing? Press W.
When I jump and I press A or D, I go. I'm an astronaut. Okay. What? Did I?
You break the game.
I break the game. Oh wait. What's that? This. It's nothing. Oh no. No. I think I should reset. I reset. We're back here.
Merry Christmas!
Yay.
Do you still remember what I did?
Yes.
I hope you do, cause I'm gonna.
Oh, it's open.
Huh?
Yay.
So you just had to do that.
Yes. Coming soon.
So we're not gonna see that game.
Well, play chapter 2.
No, let's play Jurassic Tycoon now.
Okay. Jurassic Tycoon. You can watch iPad here. Okay. You can play while I watch.
Ay, di. Kaya meron niya akong kanilagay. Tsaka ano?
Can you get me water?
Yeah, well. First. But I own this house.
Your dad owns this. You have a lot of money. You're Mr. Krabs or Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast and what?
Mr. Krabs.
Jack Bezos. Or Bill Gates.
You have 20 dinosaurs?
Huh?
You have 20 dinosaurs?
Oh,
You playing this?
I played Daddy Game.
Hindi, mawawala daw yan.
Alright.
Hindi nga
Hey.
Nawawala daw yan ng pusa. Ayan daw kasi, pagka yung sa bracket, hindi ganun umumisgar nila. Gusto rin nakakalimutan ko. Tapos yung makainitan, para hindi nang safe, piniyari ko kaya.
Hey!
Get the Brachiosaurus.
You only get 2.
So you play
Yeah, the other day. But I didn't play it again. Giant. My bad.
What happens if we just sit down in the bench and then we just get eaten alive
Yeah.
or get stomped by now a giant?
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Oh, well, by a new dinosaur.
I already know that one.
At birthday. Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Spiny.
Okay.
Spiny.
Spicy.
Spiny. Meron ako dito.
Okay. Water ribbon. Okay. Alright.
Let's buy it.
Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go,
Ah, there's 2. What? You go? You go? Okay. Oh, poop. Poop. Spell it.
I love you.
Oh wait, there's no name.
What? No! But your Sherlock's too.
Yeah.
I think I should never played it.
No, I played it. Then why do I have so many things?
Then how about the others?
I don't-
We checked the Raptors, our first ever baby.
Yeah. What's the name like that?
What was the name again? Let's just name them Echo and Blue.
Okay.
That's Echo and Blue. Echo. And then just keep on playing it. I don't even care. They're done.
Oh!
They laid eggs.
ano to eh.
Si teacher ng teacher na yan? Ano apelido? Mas Milyo? Ano?
Okay. How many feet? Now create one. You can look back in the video.
Let's just know. Wow. Yes, we can complete all of them.
Yeah.
You don't need to name them.
Okay. Bye.